Jesus Talk with Britt. Hello everybody, this is Jesus Talk with Britt. I'm Britt. We are like arrows. Don't do things that you would not want others to duplicate. In other words, don't do things that you wouldn't want others to do. If you're going to hold others to, such a standard, you need to hold yourself to that standard as well, if not higher. Nobody's perfect, but we should really want to set a good example for others, especially younger people in the younger generation that's yet to follow. If we don't set the example now, how do we expect to set an example later on in life? We tend to focus on the future. Like, oh, I'll do that later. I will start getting serious later in life. I'm young. YOLO. But our life is so much more precious than we realize. We all have this big amount of potential just waiting inside of us. And it's up to us, to do something. Take a step towards it now, not 10 or 20 years later. We need to stop being full of excuses of why we can't do these amazing things that we want to do. Just go ahead and start taking it. Even if it's just writing down what your goal is that you want to achieve, even today, small goals, what you want to achieve today. For an example, one of my daily goals I try to set for myself is to motivate somebody in some sort of way, or set some sort of positive impact on someone else's life this day. I actually will go to bed kind of upset if I realized I didn't do anything positive towards someone else in this day. What we say and do in our actions day to day, every moment of every day, do matter. It matters because it doesn't just affect, anything I do doesn't just affect me. It affects someone else. My decisions affect other people, and we need to think about that. It affects yourself and it affects others. So I personally rather affect someone with kindness than, with anger. I rather pass on, positive characteristics rather than the negative ones. Basically, if it's not showing love, then you probably shouldn't do it.
He made my mouth like a sharpened sword. In the shadow of his hand he hid me. He made me into a polished arrow and concealed me in his quiver. Isaiah 49:2.
Our words are like arrows, so next time you're going to speak, remember that your tongue is like an arrow. So whenever you speak, think about what positive thing you would say, so that way you can shoot a positive arrow into someone's life. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget that I love you, Jesus loves you. Have an awesome week. Bye.